everybody, or shall we say, buon pomeriggio, good afternoon. Gina is not feeling so well. She had to go grocery shopping, but because we're in Positano, there's only one road on and off the mountain. So she gets car sick, but we're going to make coffee this morning. Now, I go to the school of James Hoffman. He's Mr. Coffee. I've been making Moka Pot Espresso every day the way that he says. But after all of that, my cousin Pino's coffee is much better, and he makes it in an old school way. So I dragged him out of the pool. My cousin Jacopo is filming. So we're going to shoot Pino's hands making the coffee because he just got out of the pool and I forced him into doing this stupid video. So he's going to make it and then I'm going to make it. So let's go. So, the first time that Pino made me coffee, I was 15 at his house. And he took sugar, and it was the first couple of drops of coffee that came out. And he makes a crema, a cream from it. And I've never seen anything like this. I've told all of my friends that really like to drink coffee, they've never seen this before either. So I asked Pino to make it for us, so he's going to show us how.
Questo dello zucchero? Chi la vuole la crema?
No, devi filmare quello devi postare. 2 to 3 times per day. Yeah.
Hey, you too.
It doesn't have a display. I don't know. Oh, he took mine out.
Oh.
He's next. You want me to say
Ok, basta.
Thank you, Bill.
Ah, qua lo metti.
E certo, dove lo vuoi mettere?
Grazie, bella.
Grazie a te. Chiedi se vuole, papà.
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you. So, this is my favorite way to have a coffee. I don't really love sugar in my coffee. Pino wants everyone to know that he usually doesn't drink it like this. But Gisella, my queen, made the crema special. Again, I've never seen this technique. This may be just a cultural difference between America and Italy, but my God, it is worth the work. This is an amazing cup of coffee. Ciao.